Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories today. I have my first swap and glue package in, and it is from Creating with Jovi. She is the one that is hosting this really fun collaboration where you send 10 magazine pages and you have to create something from what is inside this package. I can't add anything from my stash. I have to create it from what is inside. This cute envelope she sent. Trying not to mess it up too bad here. I love the paper. And if you would like to sign up for this swap, you can go to Jovi's Facebook group. I'll have the link in the description box below. And she has sign-ups posted for February. And then we're also going to be doing March. So 2 more months for you to jump in. Save that. Maybe use the envelope too. Does that count? So I really like all this stuff on the envelope. Okay. Ooh. Look at that. I love this textured paper. She must have done that with her jelly print. And I love the colors. You have a map. That's a cool map. Some more paper with some texture. Oh, I love this big bold paper too. Oh, and we got some smaller bits here. Oh, these are cute. I love those girls too. Oh, and I like that. Take care of each other. Oh, you sent me some really cool stuff. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it all. This is going to be really hard, Jovi. Okay, let's see. I don't even know what I want to make yet. All right, you know what? Let's make this into a base. Maybe we make them into pockets. Or maybe I just journal on them and stick them into like a page with collage on it. I mean, not journal on it. And then that gives me like 2 to do, since I like, we'll see. Because I don't want to make the video super long. I do really like this. I think I might put a little bit of this on this side. Just to break up some of that green. And I have one more package coming in from Penny. We both got a lot of snow, like right after we sent our swap and glue out to each other. So I'm sure now that the mail's running and getting back on track for me at least, hopefully on her end too, we'll be getting the little swap and glue packages we sent to each other soon. This was totally a surprise too. I didn't know Jovi was sending me one. I was super excited. So thank you so much, Jovi. I'm gonna send her one for February, since we're almost done with January already. This month kind of just flew by. Okay, I really like this little girl, but I don't think she works with aesthetic. But I think I will use these girls. I'm gonna just... I might put them right here at the bottom. Scissors. Oh, I definitely want to put maybe this purpley one in the corner there. these colors are going to look so good together. This is a really good package. Okay, maybe I take off that petal. And we just go around the little flower bits right there. I like it. You could layer something on top of it too. Oop. There we go. Let's see. I always put a little piece right here. Build up that base layer a little bit. Yeah, this one, huh? That butterfly. And I'm just gonna cut it out. And I don't mind that half of its wings and stuff are missing. It's gonna be cute. And then let's go in here a little bit. I have to go in all the way, just the illusion that we kind of a little tight on that turn. We have our girls somewhere over here. Yep, that right there. That looks good. I love collage. This is so fun and relaxing. And I'm recording this. When is it? Today's Sunday morning. Everybody's still asleep. My husband had to go into work today. So I was like, oh, this is the perfect time to sit down and collage for my swapping glue. Especially since next month I'm going to be so busy, y'all. I definitely have a lot going on in February you're not going to want to miss. I'm in a collaboration called Cooking Up a Journal. That's going to be starting on February 1st, running all month long. I have posts and stuff about that. You can get like this by Creating with Jovi, and she has digitals and freebies. I'll put the links in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And Sierra from Cooley Craft Corner is also hosting with her. And there's a bunch of us ladies each day showing what we did with the freebies and the digitals. Cooking up a journal. I'm making a recipe composition notebook for my daughter. Look how cute that looks. You even put them more like right here. Let's do that. And then see, what else? I know I'm doing swap and glue. So I have 2 partners for February for swap and glue. I'm also going to be doing the 2nd episode of The Art of the Glue Book. Oh, this is coming out so pretty. Kind of like these little squares. We could put maybe a row down here. It's quilted. I don't know if I want to cut off. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. It'll be like they're standing behind it anyway. Or we could put it right here, since we have a little void here. I like that. I'm trying to think. Oh, it was folded. I'm trying to think of what else I have going on. I have 2 days of the collaboration. The swapping. Oh yeah, we're doing Ephemera Madness. The prompts are going to be fodder and postcards for February. Oh, and I think I'm going to do another one to bring it together. Maybe this way here. Let me know if you guys have any challenges or open collaborations going on. I'm trying to do more of other channels' challenges this year. So I have a few I'm probably going to be doing in March because I'm really busy in February. Oh, I think that's so cute. Let's see. Take care. See if we can find some words. She's so cute. Maybe I'll use this Danger Flash Photography. Oh, that's all right. Okay, I hope this counts. I think it does since it came in the package. Why not use the package? Or maybe we put it down here. Yeah. I still want to put something up here though. I have to find something for there. Let's see. Yield to tour bus. Yeah, let me just take this top off here. Or welcome to Vacation Land. I like that one too. Oh, I have to put it, there we go, like this. Just let it stick in. Still feel like maybe a little something behind it. I might even put it up here like this. Perfecto. And I think that is going to be the final. Is that how I had it? No, I had it like this. I think that's gonna be it for this page. I really like how it came out. I think that came out super cute. And we are at 15 minutes on this video, so I don't want to do another one to make it 30 minutes. But I'll probably do it off camera and maybe post it in my Facebook group. And definitely I'm going to be posting them in Jovi's group. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Jovi, for sending me these really fun pages. I love the colors. I loved everything you sent me. It was really hard for me to choose, to pick through them and figure out which ones I wanted to. But once I started going, you guys saw it really just came together. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again for the next one. Bye.